Hello, good morning student. Today we will discuss about the packing efficiency in solids. Packing efficiency is the percentage of total space filled by the particle. This particle may be atom, ion or molecule. Packing efficiency SCP and CCP. CCP is also called FCC, phase center cubic lattice. Having the packing efficiency 74% and packing efficiency in BCC is 68%. Packing efficiency in simple cubic lattice 52.4. Out of these three, SCP, BCC and simple cubic, SCP and CCP have maximum packing efficiency. Packing efficiency. Whatever the constant particle are arranged, there is always some free space in the form of void. Both SCP and CCP are equally efficient in which both in which the coordination number is 12. That means number of oppositely charged ions attached to the particular ion. This is nothing but the coordination number. And both SCP and CCP have the number 12, and both in which the packing efficiency is 74%. In the CCP or FCC, the constant particle present at the corner as well as the center of the space. See in this diagram, the ADC triangle ADC is a right angle triangle in which AC is a diagonal. Constant particle present at the two corner at point A, at point C, and constant particle is also present at the center of the face. At the center of the face. In triangle ADC, AC is the diagonal. By using the Pythagoras, in triangle ADC, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. AD and DC both are the edge length of this cubic array. CCP in with the constant particle present at the corner as well as the center of the E space. By using the Pythagoras, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square, and AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. AC square is equal to AD. AD is the edge length. This is edge length is A. That means A square plus DC is also the edge length. A square plus A square B square, 2A square, and AC square is equal to 2A square, and AC is equal to under root 2A. AC is equal to under root 2A. But AC is equal to 4R because the constant particle A having the radius small r and constant particle C also having the radius small r, and constant particle present at the center of the E space having the diameter 2R plus R, that means 4R. AC is equal to 4R in one case, and another case AC is equal to under root 2A. Equating two sides, 4R is equal to root 2A, and A is equal to 4 by root 2R. A is equal to 4 by root 2R, and volume of the cube is equal to A cube. Volume of the unit cell is equal to A cube. In FCC, R is the radius of the sphere and A is the edge length. In FCC, there are 4 spheres in FCC per unit cell, and volume of the 4 sphere is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. And packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by 4 sphere in a unit cell divided by the total volume of the unit cell. is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by volume of the unit cell a cube, and a is equal to 4 by root 2 r, 4 by root 2 r cube, and calculating into 100, and calculating this to obtain the 74%, and packing, thus prove that packing efficiency in CCP or FCC is 74%. Now packing efficiency in body center cubic BCC arrangement. In BCC arrangement, the constant particle present at the corner of the cube and center of the cube. In given cube, EFD triangle, EFD is a right angle triangle, FD is the diagonal, EF is the edge length, and ED is also the edge length. Consider the in body center cubic lattice, edge length is equal to a picometer. By using the Pythagoras in triangle EFD, DF square is equal to EF square plus FD square. EF is equal to A square plus A square, and FD is equal to B. B square is equal to A square plus A square. B square is equal to 2A square. B is equal to under root 2A. B is equal to under root 2A. And same cube in triangle ADF. ADF. AF is the diagonal. AF is the diagonal. AF square is equal to AD square plus DF square. AF is equal to, consider C. C square is equal to A square, AD square, A square, and DF and B square. And C square is equal to A square plus B square. And B square is equal to 2A square. And C square is equal to A square plus 2A square. C square is equal to 3A square. C square is equal to 3A square. And C is equal to root 3A. C is equal to root 3A. In another way, the constant particle having the radius, constant particle A and F having the radius R, and constant particle present at the center of the cube C having the radius R and diameter is 2R, and total distance from point A to point F is equal to 4R. By calculating using Pythagoras theorem, AF is equal to root 3A, and A in another way, AF is equal to 4R. Root 3A is equal to 4R. A is equal to 4R by root 3. 4R by root 3. And volume of the unit cell is equal to A cube. Volume because A is the edge length, and volume of the unit cell is equal to A cube, and A is equal to 4R by root 3. 4R by root 3 cube. But number of sphere in BCC, number of particle present in a unit cell is 2, and volume of the 2 sphere is equal to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, and packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by the 2 sphere in the unit cell. Volume occupied by 2 sphere in the unit cell divided by the total volume of the unit cell. Total volume of the unit cell. Volume occupied by the 2 sphere in the unit cell is 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by A cube. A cube, A means 4R by root 3 cube into 100. On calculating this, we obtain packing efficiency is equal to the 68%. And in BCC, packing efficiency is 68%. In FCC, packing efficiency 74%. Now, third is the packing efficiency in a simple cubic lattice. Simple cubic lattice is the only constant particle present at the corner. Let A be the edge length of the unit cell and R is the radius of the sphere. In simple cubic or primitive lattice, this sphere directly contact with the other sphere. That A is the edge length of the unit cell, R is the radius of the sphere, as sphere are touching to each other. Therefore, A is equal to 2R. A is equal to 2R. Number of sphere per unit cell in simple cubic, 1 by 8 into 8 is equal to 1, and volume of the sphere is equal to volume of one sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of cube is equal to a cube, and a is equal to 2r cube is equal to 8r cube, and therefore packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by all the sphere in the unit cell. Number of atom per unit cell is 1, that means 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by total volume of the unit cell. Total volume of the unit cell, that means a cube is equal to 8r cube into 100. On calculating, obtain 52.4%. Thus, in FCC arrangement packing efficiency is 74%, and BCC arrangement packing efficiency is 68%, and simple cubic lattice in which simple cubic unit cell in which the packing efficiency 52.4. Now, radius ratio. What is by radius ratio? Radius ratio is very important, which gives the number of information like the shape of the molecule, or the how structure constant particle arranged in the compound. Now, what is the coordination number of that compound? Radius ratio is the ratio of radius of cation and radius of anion. If the radius ratio is in the range of 0.155 to 0.225, then the coordination number is 3 and the shape is trigonal planar. An example is B2O3. If the radius ratio is in the range of 0.225 to 0.414, then the coordination number is 4 and shape is the tetrahedral. An example is the ZNS. And radius ratio is in the range of 0.414 to 0.732, then the coordination number is 6 and the shape of the arrangement, structural arrangement is octahedral, and the example is NaCl. If the radius ratio is 0.732 to 1, then the coordination number is 8 and the structural arrangement is body center cubic. An example is the CaCl, cesium chloride. Numerical on radius ratio. Consider a solid XY has NaCl type arrangement, NaCl type structure. NaCl type structure, that means octahedral. NaCl type structure, that means octahedral, and coordination number is 6 and radius ratio is in the range of 0.414 to 0.732. A solid XY has a NaCl type structure if the radius of Y minus, that means anion, is 120 picometer, as length of the unit cell is 430 picometer. Calculate the radius of the cation. Calculate the radius of the cation. X. In NaCl type structure, anion are FCC arranged while cation present in all the octahedral whites. This is the constant particle. Constant particle, both are the constant particle, make the FCC arrangement, because NaCl type structure, that means the FCC arrangement. FCC arrangement in which the constant particle, already seen, constant particle present at the corner, as present at the corner and the center of the E space. These two constant particles present at the this constant particle make the structural arrangement, FCC arrangement. Anions are FCC arrangement, and while cations present in all the octahedral whites. This is the cation. Cation present at the octahedral white. This is A. Constant particle A and constant particle B. This is the center, this center, from this center to this center. The radius of this sphere is R. This constant particle also R, is both are the anion, which make the FCC arrangement. A small particle occupy at the octahedral wide, having the radius 2R, 2r. This is radius of cation anion, and this is radius of anion, and this is the radius of diameter of the cation. A to B, this is total distance. AB is the edge length. AB is the edge length is equal to 2 into radius of cation. This is radius of cation plus 2 into radius of anion. AB is the edge length is equal to A. AB is equal to A is equal to 2 into radius of cation plus 2 plus radius of anion. From this, radius of cation plus radius of anion is equal to A by 2. Radius of cation plus radius of anion is equal to A by 2. And A is the edge length. In question already given, the edge length is the 430 picometer. Putting the value of A, 430 divided by 2 is equal to 215 picometer. 215 picometer is the radius of cation plus radius of anion. In the given numerical, we have to calculate the radius of the cation. Here x plus. Radius of cation x plus. Radius of cation plus radius of anion is equal to 215 picometer, and radius of cation is equal to 215 minus radius of anion. In question, radius of anion is already given 120. 215 minus 120 is equal to 95 picometer. Is the radius of the cation. Now, very important topic. The one question is also given in the exercise. Relation between capital R and small r. Capital R and small r. What is meant by capital R and what is meant by small r? Consider the radius of the octahedral void is small r. This is octahedral void. Octahedral void made by contact between the six constituent particles, 6 atoms. One atom, 2, 3, 4. This is two-dimensional diagram in which this constant particle octahedral void contact between the 4 sphere. But in three-dimensional structure, one sphere is above, one constant particle above the octahedral void and one below the octahedral void. That means 6 atom is in contact with this octahedral void. A sphere fitting into the octahedral void, this radius of this octahedral void is small r, and radius of the atom in the close packing, this only the 4 atom shown in the 2 dimension. Radius of this constant particle, radius of this atom, close packing atom, is capital R. And radius of this small octahedral void, understand this, the radius of this constant particle is capital R, and radius of this octahedral void is small r. This point, this radius, this A, this is this point B, and center of the octahedral void is C. See that like diagram like this. This is the center of the octahedral void C. Center of the octahedral void C. Center of this constant particle A. Center of this constant particle B. Center of this constant particle B. Radius of this constant particle, radius of this atom is this is a capital R, and this distance is small r. Same in this, capital R is the radius of the constant particle and small r the radius of the octahedral void. And the AB distance, center of the A to the center of the B is 2r. 2r. In this triangle ABC, AB is the diagonal. ABC. AC is the diagonal. This angle 90. By using the Pythagoras, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC, total distance of AC is 2r. 2r square plus AB square. AB means capital R plus small r. R plus R square. Capital R plus small r square plus BC square. Capital R plus small r square is equal to 2r plus r square. 2r square, that means 4r square. 2r square, 4r square is equal to 2r plus r square. And dividing by 2, 2r square is equal to capital R plus small r square. 2r square means under root 2r square is equal to r plus r square. Under root 2r, r plus r square. And removing the square on both the side, under root 2r is equal to capital R plus small r. And small r is equal to under root 2r minus r. Small r is equal to under root 2r minus r. R is equal to remove common r. R is equal to under root 2 minus 1. Capital R. R is equal to value of under root 2 is equal to 1.414. R is equal to 1.414 minus 1 into capital R. Small r is equal to 0.414 capital R. R is the radius of the octahedral void and capital R is the radius of the atom in the close packing arrangement. That means small r is equal to 0.414 capital R. Now some relations on the octahedral void, size of the octahedral and tetrahedral void and the size of the atom, constant particle, radius of the voids and the radius of CCP atom. If R is the radius of the sphere in a closed pack, capital R is the radius of the sphere in the closed pack arrangement, then radius of octahedral void. Now prove this relation already. Radius of octahedral void is equal to 0.414 R and radius of tetrahedral void is equal to 0.225 R. This is all about the packing efficiency. We discuss packing efficiency in SCP arrangement, SCP or FCC arrangement, body center cubic and simple cubic, and some we see about the radius ratio also and relation between the capital R and small r.